Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, the market is open and this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. Right now, gold is trying to cross 3700 level, and we can see that overall the market is bullish. If you look at the higher time frame, for example, if you look at a daily time frame, then obviously we can clearly see that market is super bullish. Okay, and there is no doubt about it. And right now gold is in consolidation, as market always move in a zigzag pattern. Okay, there should be some retracement or correction on the chart of gold, but we have seen earlier also that sometimes gold doesn't come for retracement and it just continues the upside for a long period of time. And right now, after the consolidation, instead of coming down, if gold shoots up, then obviously I won't be surprised, because gold has shown this kind of move earlier as well. But yes, okay, if gold starts going above 3700, then obviously the next target will be 3800. But right now, this particular area is very dangerous for all of us. Okay, if you are holding any buy on gold, you can hold your buy position, because still the sky is the limit. But do not forget to trail your stop loss. If you're holding your position without stop loss, then it can be very dangerous. Do not do that. Okay, because until unless gold crosses 3700, it is very hard for us to tell whether market is going to continue the upside or market will just trap traders. But overall, technically, this is not an ideal position to initiate any long trade for the next few days. If you're a day trader, you can go for level to level trading. But if you're a swing trader, then obviously this level is very risky. And if we look at the hourly time frame, we can see that overall the trend of the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. But if we look at the recent candles, then we can see that but at present the market is sideways, or in technical terms we can consider it as consolidation. So where are the trading opportunities then? So as I just said, if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position with trailing stop loss. Okay, trail your stop loss, that's it. Okay, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously, okay, buy at retracement or buy at dip will be the best trading strategy. So where is the next support then? Today we have the next best support around 3674, 3671. The first box that I made here, this is the first support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position, because the previous resistance will become the new support. The second support on the chart of gold is around 3662 to 59. This is the second support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position. You can see I have made two boxes here. So these two boxes are the support levels where we can look for a buy position. As a day trader, I will not be recommending any swing trades here, because the market is trading at a very dangerous level. Okay, we need more clarity on the detection. But as a day trader, definitely you can expect 70 to 80 pips around these levels. 74, 71, 62, 59. But keep in mind, no level is permanent, so do not trade blindly. If you see the market is taking support, then only hit the buy button. Respect your hard-earned money. Do not become a gambler. And we have a very good support around 28 area, also 3628 also, but chances of market coming to 362827 is very less, so let's not discuss about it. But if situation comes up, then keep in mind 2628 is the best support. Chances are less. Then we also have a good support around 45, 44 areas with the black line here. Why? Because of previous price rejection around this area. So on the chart of gold, these are the three best levels where we can look for a buy position. Okay, and the first two levels, okay, have been derived with the help of price action. That's it. And last one, okay, also support. And if market doesn't come down, because see, there are only two possibilities: market will either come down or market will either go up. If market comes down, then respecting the current scenario, we will be looking for buy. Okay, and if market goes up, you need to keep in mind that, okay, market is trading at record high. This can be a trap as well. For example, after a breakout, you may see market, okay, market is showing profit booking and market is coming down. If that is also a possibility, so be careful. Okay, Usually when market doesn't come down, okay, and market simply goes up, what we do, we buy at breakout. So today also you can look for a buy at breakout around 3709, but keep in mind, okay, there can be some profit booking as well. So be careful. Do not go for big lots. If you see the market is coming down after 30-40 pips, do not be surprised. If you are looking for safe entry, then your best thing will be, okay, let the market settle, because right now we have a big resistance around 3700, 3707. So this is the resistance now. When try to understand the logic here, okay, when market will go up after a breakout, obviously market will be coming down, isn't it? Just the price action, okay, that we have been seeing for the last couple of months. So 370007, what, it will become the new support. So at pullback, okay, you can expect a better entry. So when 370007 will become the new support, then you can enter if you do not want the risk of a false breakout. During the US session, if market goes up with high volume, then it's a different story. Then you can go for buy at breakout above 370809. But if you see the market is going up slowly, volume is not very high, then it is high risk. It will be better for you to enter at pullback, because buying at retracement is always safer in comparison to buying at breakout. So overall, the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. So respecting the overall trend of the market, we are looking for buy positions only. If market comes down, we will be looking for buy at retracements around 367471, then 6259 and 4445 area. If market doesn't come down for retracement, market shoots up, then buying and breakout, yes, it's on the table, but it is risky because already market has shown a huge move without proper correction or retracement. If market goes up with big candles, then we can look for buy at breakout. Otherwise, it will be better and safer for us to buy at retracement only. Okay, because the same level 3700, 370708 area will become the new support. When resistance becomes the support, okay, it is safer for us to enter at pullback. Okay, and things a little bit okay confusing right now because gold has not shown a proper retracement yet. For example, okay, during the day, okay, or by the US session, if you see that there is a sudden fall on gold comes down to 3600, then it will be a very good thing, because day traders, swing traders, everyone can enter, because we need healthy moves in the market. And right now the moves on gold, okay, are not very healthy, at least technically not very healthy. So let's wait and watch. And that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard earned money.